What's up, Sacramento renters? Are you tired of wasting money on rent? Is your landlord raising rent again? Are you ready to start building equity for yourself? Has your landlord put the home on the market and now you have to move? Have you been on your job for 2 years or more and made good income and now you want to buy a home? Hi, my name's Kevin Garrett, and I want to invite you out to a free home buying workshop Saturday, April 27th at 1 p.m. to 3 p.m., located at 4600 47th Avenue, Suite 103 in Sacramento, California. Saturday, April 27th from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m., located at Brian's Lincoln's Real Estate, sponsored with SnapFi. And discover how you can purchase your first home with less money than it costs to rent another home. Many first-time buyers have purchased homes with less than it costs to rent another home, and you can too. Imagine yourself in your new home. What would that look like? Would that be 3 bedrooms and 2 baths? Or would that be 4 bedrooms and 3 baths? Get pre-approved and pick the size home you need, and many homes are available in your area. Register now and attend this free workshop at Brian's Lincoln's Real Estate, located at 4600 47th Avenue in Sacramento, California, Suite 103. Come on out and join us today.